All right, guys, I'm literally sitting in my flipping garage because I was having technical difficulties and the app was just lagging big time. And I feel like my camera is crooked. Is my head crooked? Is her head crooked? I don't know. I don't know. Yes, it is. A little bit. A little bit. I would go inside, but y'all know I got a little human in there. A little creation of mine. My best creation. One of my best creations, I may just talk about. But anyway, listen. I did walk you guys through how to do it, but I want to do it again. All right? Because I feel like for some of us, I'll say it's user error, and some of us are just buying the wrong things. Like, I feel like some of us are. I understand that there's those that are buying the right thing, and it's on the app and it's on Walmart and it's just not working. I understand that too. And so I'm gonna walk you through what I do. All right, so I've already made my list. All right, I know which surveys I'm looking for. The first thing that I do, let me make sure I'm recording. Okay, the first thing I do is I go to the app and I click shop at the very bottom from the home screen. Let me exit out really quick. Hold on, because I'm in a search. All right, so from the home screen, I click shop. All right, now from this part right here, this is where I put in whatever brand, whatever item that I'm looking for. Try to be as specific as you can be though, because you don't want this broad ass search. And I've noticed that if I just put in Bic, it's gonna be so broad. It's just gonna be so broad. It's gonna be razors, everything, anything that's Bic, stationery, and you don't really want that. What do you want? You want Bic razors, right? Because that's what you're looking for. So we're gonna put in Bic razors. And then we're going to filter it. The key is to filter it. Whenever you change your search, always refilter it because it'll uncheck your filter. So click filter at the very top. And we're going to filter it down to the store that we're at, which is Walmart. Click apply. Now, all of these items are items that qualify for your surveys, right? Because they're under the shop. They're in the shop and they're listed under Walmart. God, why do I feel like my thing is crooked? Okay. All right, that's how you know that they qualify, right? So one item that I know is not here because my area is completely out of the cheaper razors, being the Big Comfort, and I literally bought the last one today, you guys, the last one. And the women one, they're out of that one as well. So that's why it's not listed on here, because it's out of stock. All right, and if you see it, it's priced higher. That's because that's the online price. So we're gonna click on one we know that they have in stock, which would be, let's just do the first one right here. All right, this is the Big Soleil Smooth. It's priced at $4.97. As you can see, it is at Walmart. Now, when I scroll down, all you see is the cents, and that's because I've already done all of the surveys already. I did the last one today for $1.50, and I've done them all. From my experience, guys, they do tend to reset. So just because you've done them all doesn't mean they're all gone forever. They do reset. What else? Because I know that the Sterilite was one that I've been doing from day one, and that one that's a reset already. And so yeah. All right, so we're gonna click buy. It's gonna automatically take you to the Walmart app, your Walmart app that you have linked. We're gonna scroll down, and there it is. It does say pickup is available at my nearest store, which is great. What else? You can add it to your cart. I tend to add it to my cart just because it kind of creates a list for me, makes it that much easier when I go to the store. But you don't have to. You just want to make sure that you're comparing it to this one that you're purchasing to make sure that it's the right product. All right, that's the biggest thing. I know that I was doing this for Colgate Max Fresh once, and the one that was listed here was a 3 ounce, was a 3.0 ounce. The one that qualified, well, actually I take that back. Well, yeah, the one here was 3.0 ounce. The one in store was only the 3.2 ounce, so it's not the right one, right? Because in store, that one's 3.2, and on here was 3.0. All right, and even when you went to look for it on Walmart.com, it said not available, all right, or not available in store. All right, so again, you don't have to add it to your cart. I just do. All right, so that's what I do. I go from one item to the next looking for items, preferably items that are cheaper where it's going to be more profitable for me. Looking for items that I have coupons for, and that's basically it. All right, so let me go back and try another one for you. Let's do Garnier, because I just did that one today. Garnier, Hope. We'll do Garnier Hope Lens because I just did that. Let's take off the shampoo because I want to show you guys something. So we're gonna click that. Okay, and again, whenever you change your search, always refilter it. All right, we're gonna refilter it to Walmart. Click apply. Okay, so here we have it here. We're gonna scroll down. What I got was the Hope Lens, the gold bottles, the shampoo, and the conditioner. And I did a survey for $3, and I did one for $2.75, which is the two higher ones. I use a 4 off of 2 coupon, which I think I do have the breakdown here. Yep, I do. Okay, I used the 4 off of 2 coupon that we just got, and I paid $2.94, and then I did get back $3 for one survey and $2.75 for the other. So I did get back a total of $5.75. So it did double, which is cool, because that was one thing that I was trying earlier, was to see if it was going to work. I think the biggest thing is just making sure that you're going to the shop, making sure that, you know, you're filtering it down to the store that you're at, and making sure that, you know, it's the right product. That's like the biggest thing. Also making sure that you've done your survey before you sync. So what I do is, like yesterday I did 3 different transactions. One transaction was for surveys I already done. The other 2 transactions were for surveys I plan to do in the future. So I did my 3 surveys this morning, submitted that receipt, or had it synced. And then tomorrow I'll submit my final receipt once I do those 3 surveys. And you don't have to do it that way. I just do it that way because I feel like it saves me time of having to go to the store every day, even though I technically go anyways at some point. But I will do it like that. Now, you can make your purchase before you do the survey, as long as you don't sync it. That's like the most important part. I don't even do Walmart Pay. I only do where I load the receipt to the Walmart app. I've showed you guys how to do that, but I basically load the receipt to my Walmart app, and then I wait maybe like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then I go and I sync my Brandclub account. Comes to syncing it, you can only sync 3 times in a 24-hour period. Also, another thing is to make sure you pay attention to the pricing of things. Like, some things are priced a little cheaper on the app than they are in store. It's not about what you're paying for something, it's about what the price is within the app. All right, so let's say within the app the item is $2.98, like the Pepsi, but you bought it for $3.24, thinking that you're going to get back the $3 survey. You're not. You're going to get back the survey you might have for $2.75, you know, because it's $2.98 within the app. Does that make sense? I hope it does, because I think that's one key factor as well. Other than that, what else? So now what I want to do is show you a few things that I have gotten from Brandclub in these last 2 days. And they all are really, really awesome deals. Now, I feel like the app has a lot of potential to just be awesome for everybody. Especially for stuff that you're going to buy anyways. Like, I buy this one ham by Hillshire. It's like $4, and I'm getting back $3 on Brandclub. And it's something I'm going to buy anyways. You know, or Joseph likes a Simply Lemonade in the big jug. It's like $4 something. I could do a survey for that and get back $3. I showed you guys the ketchup deal like last time, right? It's $3 something. I mean, you guys get the point. The app has a shitload of potential if they get their shit together. That's the biggest thing. So I'm going to show you guys a few things that I've gotten lately. So I did try the Oral-B flossers. These are $4.97, and I tried the Crest Kids toothpaste. Now, when I put in Oral-B under shop through Walmart, the Crest was on there, so that's why I grabbed it. All right, so the Oral-B flossers were $4.97. I had a $1 coupon, which has since expired, and then the Crest was how much was this? This was $2.57. I had a 50-cent coupon again, which has since expired. I paid $207 and got back $250 on Brandclub. This one we paid $3.97 out of pocket and got back $3 on Brandclub. So this made it 97 cents. Me and Joseph are like really like anal when it comes to floss. So we floss like every single day. So I normally get this from like, let's say Dollar Tree, $1.25 Tree for like 65. I want to say 65, 70 flossers. I'm getting 75 for 97 cents. But since this was a 43-cent moneymaker, we're getting them both for like less than $1. Not bad at all. All right. So, and then on my receipt, I did get back a total of $5.50. So it did attach to both on one single receipt, which is awesome. Okay. I also had one for Oral-B for $1.50, and I did this one. Now, next thing I'm going to try is doing more than 2 surveys. So if I could do like 3 or 4 surveys from one brand, getting different items for each one, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna work too. All right, but I did do this one separately on a separate receipt. Oral-B floss is $1.58. Rebate was $1.50, so it made this only 8 cents. All right. The Neutrogena, we've been doing this one for Ibotta for a while now, you guys. This is number 90, Pink Mocha for Neutrogena, and I paid $2.28 because I price matched the online price. Got back $2.25 on Brandclub, making this only 3 cents. Only thing it was missing was an Ibotta rebate. Now I will say this, that this particular one, we know we're price matching it for the online price of $2.28, but it is priced for like $7-8 online. I'm curious to do a $3 survey for this and see if I'll get back the $3, even though I price matched it for cheaper. So that's one thing I want to try next. But for today, it made this 3 cents. I only had one more survey left for Bic, and it was like $1.50, I think. So I went ahead and just got one more. I picked up the last one of these. All right, it's $2.97. I had a $4 coupon, so I had $1 and like 3 cents of overage, and then I got back $1.50 from Brandclub. I tried doing this on the new rebate that's on Swagbucks, but it didn't work. I had to send it in for review. All right. The Colgate is $1.67. I had a $1.50 rebate on Brandclub. It made this only 17 cents, which is not bad. And then what else? Oh, the Hershey Kisses. I love Hershey Kisses. Like, I love them, and I know they love me too. Anyways, these were priced at $3.78. Now for this one, I know that I could have done a $3 survey, but I wanted to just kind of go through the ones that I already have done, and it was for $2.50. So it made this $1.28. But I figured since I had another deal making me money, it paid for the kisses. So the kisses are free anyways. All right, so that was that. And again, all of these items, I searched them through Shop and filtered to Walmart. They were all listed, and I got them all. I'll include a screenshot or something like that for you guys. What else? The Farberware. All right, the Farberware, I had surveys for this for $2.50 and $2.75, and these are the items that I got. I got the ice cream scoop right here, which is $2.97. Now this one did ring up for $3.24, and store had to price match it, which I did, for $2.97, and then I got back $2.50 on Brandclub. So it made this only 47 cents. This one right here, again, $2.97. I didn't have the price match this one. This one actually scanned for $2.97, and I got back $2.75 on Brandclub. So this was only 22 cents. I was looking for the pillars, but they didn't have any. Another thing that I grabbed was the Maybelline Fit Me. All right, these, we've been price matching these, you guys. We were doing this deal on Ibotta. Price matching these for $3.42. I had $2 coupon from our inserts that we just got. I paid $1.42 and got back $2.75 on Brandclub, making this $8.33 moneymaker. Now I did another rebate for $3 as well. And so for that one, it makes this $1.58 moneymaker. I submitted that receipt already. One more receipt I haven't submitted yet that I'm going to submit tomorrow. All right, so it made this $1.33 moneymaker, you guys, which is awesome, right? And then, and again, this helped pay for the Hershey Kisses. The last thing I'm going to share with you guys really, really quick is the whole blends. Now, since we already established that the system will allow you to attach 2 separate surveys for the same brand, as long as it's 2 separate items on the same receipt. So I tried it with this, okay, with the whole blends. All right, I did a survey for $3. I did one for $2.75. For these, they were $3.42. I had 4 off of 2 coupons that I used, brought the out of pocket down to $2.94, and then I got back a total of $5.75 for both surveys, making them both free plus a $2.81 moneymaker. And so that was cool with that as well. What else? And then today I just did the Pioneer Woman, and they didn't have any of those little tumbler cups that I bought last time. And so I got the Pioneer Woman straws, the plastic straws. Now when I scanned these, they did scan for here's my receipt. They scanned for $4.24. I price matched them for the online price, which was $2.94. And then you're getting back, how much did I get back? Where's my little list? Like, I had a short list today, y'all. Look, a little list. And then I got back $2 from Brandclub. So I made these only 94 cents, which is not bad because they're plastic and it's a 12-pack. Now this item is pending along with the Bic because I did that today. The Yoplait is already in the fridge, you guys. I'll insert a picture of that. But the Yoplait was $2.72. It's a 2-pack of the Yoplait with the granola on top, the low-fat one. And I got back $2.25 on Brandclub, making that only 47 cents. So less than 50 cents, less than 25 cents per cup on that. Other than that, guys, I think that's basically it. I really hope this video helps you guys. That is the goal for these videos, to help you. But I feel like if I at least show you what works for me, maybe it'll work for you, right? That's always the goal. Because like I said before, I think initially when we first started using Brandclub, it was assumed at least that a brand is a brand and whatever is a part of that brand should apply. At least that's what I thought, right? But it's not. It has to be specific items, you know? It has to be specific stores. And I know one of you guys early on asked me that, and I was like, not that I know of, it could be any store, you know, but it's not. It has to be specific stores. So again, I really hope this video was helpful. Oh, and the bucket, I forgot the bucket. this was my bag for today, since I didn't need a bag. The Sterilite bucket. So this item here, you know, for the Sterilite rebate, I've been getting the shoe boxes, right? And I think just by chance that item just happened to work for the rebate. I think certain items that worked early on, you guys, we just happened to buy the right item. And the time that it didn't work, we just happened to buy the wrong item. But I was looking on through the shop feature, and I found this bucket. It was $2.58, and I had a rebate or a survey for $2.50. So I made this bucket only 8 cents. I'm like, okay, cool. I'll buy me some buckets now, since I don't need any more shoe boxes. And yeah, but other than that, guys, again, as always, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't had a chance to like, definitely do that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.